of Beyond the Bubble. In this episode, we are going to look at all the happenings related to cricket in the past couple of weeks and one major bombshell that shook the entire footballing fraternity. Before any further ado, let's quickly jump into the video. Well, that's what it is. It's a three-way battle between Team India, Team England and the rain. It's pretty common sight to see such torrential downpours in England affecting the result of at least one match in every series. Take the World Test Championship finals as an example. The rain washed away entire 2 days, and if not for the extra day, the maze would have been a shared property by now. The first match of the ongoing series was well poised for the last day, and all three results would have been possible when our uninvited visitor decided to annoy us again. It is fair to say it's impossible to stop the rain from falling, and you can't keep the rain away from England either, but at least the ICC can keep the matches out of England. Leave alone this series or any other series where England is the home team. Any team would require home conditions for sure. But major competitions like the World Test Championship finals and ICC World Cup can be moved to some other countries where there's little rain to disturb the course of the match. This will make sure the conditions are neutral for all the teams, but right now it's India versus England and the rain, and congratulations to Team India in winning this tri-series battle. For the third time in TNPL history, the Chepauk Super Gillies have lifted the coveted trophy, and it wasn't a cakewalk for them either. After finishing second in the points table below the underdogs Ruby Trichy Warriors and losing to the same side in qualifier 1, this made few sweat in the dressing room. Facing the same team in which the previous two encounters haven't been successful for them, the Chepauk Super Gillies had a task ahead of them. Although the odds were in favour of them, there would have been some considerable doubt in the dressing room against their opponents Ruby Trichy Warriors. The game was set and the ball started rolling, and CSG outperformed their opponents when it mattered the most. After setting out to bat, and Narayan Jagdishan's 90 off 58 balls classic set the tune for the CSG to put a mammoth score of 183 on the board. Chasing 184 runs, the franchise from Trichy were off a flyer when they scored 42 runs in the first 3 overs, but they did falter in the middle overs. When everything seemed lost, Sarunakumar's blitz towards the end of the game provided Ruby Trichy Warriors a stunning comeback. With 13 runs needed in the last over, everyone would say that Trichy was their favourite after they changed the momentum in last 5 overs. But the bowler who was about to bowl and deliver the last over was none other than Ravi Srinivasan Sai Kishore. In the last over, he conceded just 4 runs to help Chepauk Super Gillies lift the trophy for the third time. With young players like Siddharth Manimaran and Radhakrishnan from Chepauk and Laika Kovai Kings Sai Sudarshan, and don't forget the big hitter Vivek from Dindigul Dragons, we can expect some IPL franchise to get these players into their squads in the upcoming edition. After a couple of months of break in club football due to national team duties and off-season transfers, here we are back with the club football returns. With newly promoted teams and change in the team strength with transfers, it was a fun epic first week for football enthusiasts out there. Arsenal losing out to newly promoted Brentford, Bayern Munich drew against Mönchengladbach, champions of England. Manchester City losing out to Tottenham, and Barca and Real Madrid kicking off their campaign in style. We say it all. Although the Series A fans has to wait for one more week for their campaign to start, the teams from the Italy were playing in Coppa Italia this weekend, and I'm sure Messi fans are already heartbroken with his unexpected move to PSG, but even then they have to wait at least a week to see the greatest of all times donning a different jersey for the first time in his career. With this, we have come to the end of the 12th episode of Beyond the Bubble, and I'll catch up with you next week in the 13th episode. And don't forget to convert your sports skill into money by playing Ballebuzz. It's one of the best and trusted fantasy prediction apps available, and the link to the app is in our bio. All links to our social media handle is in our description below. So see you in the next video. Tata, bye bye.